Now a health alert as we track a deadly virus now confirmed in Florida. The CDC now putting airports on high alert for MERS. Now word of 2 new possible cases linked to Florida's patient zero, a healthcare worker who traveled from Saudi Arabia to Orlando. Let's get right to our Edward Lawrence at Tampa International Airport tonight with what you need to know. Edward?
And the CDC has warned 22 airports to put them on notice, actually. Those airports have quarantine centers. Many of those airports feed into Tampa here, like Hartsfield, Atlanta, Jacksonville, and Miami. The CDC says be on the lookout for signs of MERS. Flights from 2 of the airports the CDC warned to watch for MERS arrived in Tampa minutes apart. Passengers waited on their bags. Many, like Paul Mayer, who arrived from Chicago, are well aware of the latest MERS cases.
I'm a cancer survivor, and having gone through chemotherapy and all, I'm still concerned about my immune system.
He knows public travel can also spread germs quickly. The CDC is still tracking down some 500 people on the flights of the Saudi healthcare worker visiting Orlando with a confirmed case. His doctors say he still has a fever and remains isolated in a quarantine room.
Basically, as I say, there is no specific treatment. We only treat symptomatically. If medicine for cough, medicine for fever, medicine for muscle aches.
Hospitals in Tampa have the same kind of room should another infected traveler come through the airport or into the emergency room. St. Joseph's Hospital Dr. Carlos Smith says the rooms have air that flows inward through filters.
None of the air that may be contaminated with the viruses would be blown out into the general public or general treatment area.
The only precaution for the flu-like illness is prevention. Mayer knows that. He always travels with sanitizer and hopes health officials can contain MERS in the U.S.
There are so many illnesses out there that eventually they're going to reach us one way or another. I hope this one doesn't turn into an epidemic.
And health officials are still looking for at least 100 people that could have been exposed. They were in the emergency rooms of 2 Orlando hospitals when that patient walked in. Reporting live at Tampa International Airport, Edward Lawrence, ABC Action News.